Welcome to some retro gaming. Today we go back to 1984, looking at how to load and play Bruce Lee on a Commodore 64. Everything is connected. Remember that the Commodore 64 machine is connected to the antenna input on the TV. Channel 12 or 36 was often used. Turn on the power button. Check that the red light is on. Turn on the TV and see that the correct channel is selected. The classic Commodore 64 screen comes up. Find the game cassette. Then press down Shift and run stop at the same time. The text "Press Play on Tape" comes on the screen. Insert the cassette and press play. Then just sit back and wait a few minutes. The loading of the game has started. Remember that if you get error messages, the audio screw must be adjusted in the cassette player. If everything goes according to plan, then these photos will appear along the way. Do not be surprised if it takes several minutes. This is 80s technology. Finally, if everything is going well, you're ready to play. Select the number of joysticks, and press F7 to start the game. The nostalgia can sink in. We are back in 1984. Thank you for watching. Please post a comment if you liked the video. Next time we travel back to the 70s. We then try out the Pong game that existed on the Binotone game machine. Hope to see you.